We are early risers. We are coffee drinkers. We are mothers. We are fathers. We are mates. We are bridge builders. We are mountain movers. We are diggers. We are drillers. We are drivers. We are welders. We are caretakers. We keep the tanks full. We keep the traffic flowing on New Zealand roads. We are learners. We are old-timers. We are hard cases. We are tough buggers. We build the plant that keeps our water pure. We build the stations that keep our homes warm. We build this country we call home. We are connectors. We are contractors. We are collaborators. We are solution seekers. We are technology leaders. We keep our country talking. We are at our desks. We are on the road. We're always out there, every day, everywhere. Here's to those that are staying safe. Here's to those that are keeping things maintained. Here's to those that do what others won't. Here's to where we've been. Here's to where we are. Here's to where we're going. Here's to making us proud. We are Downer. We do.